Kinetic energy, the power of motion. Hey, speedsters! Have you ever wondered why a rolling ball can knock over toys, or how a tiny bullet packs a huge punch? It's all thanks to kinetic energy, the energy of motion. Today, we're revving up to learn how moving things rule the world. Let's get moving. What is kinetic energy? Kinetic energy is the energy something has because it's moving. The faster it goes, the more kinetic energy it packs. And guess what? Two things matter. How fast it's moving. How heavy it is. If you put a tiny toy car which is super fast against a massive truck which is slow, even if the truck is slower, its mass gives it way more kinetic energy. That's why elephants shouldn't skateboard. Kinetic energy in action. Experiment 1, speed versus energy. What will happen if you roll a marble slowly at a cup it just nudges? Else you could roll the marble fast at the cup now. The cup falls over. From this small experiment we can see, more speed equals more kinetic energy equals more power. Experiment 2, mass matters. Let's drop a ping pong ball and bowling ball in a sand pit, which one create the bigger crater? Same speed, but more mass equals way more energy. That's why you don't want a bowling ball falling on your toe. Ouch! Kinetic energy is why we wear seatbelts, why hurricanes are scary, and why you can't stop a speeding train with a feather. The kinetic energy formula. Don't panic, it's simple. Ke equals 1/2, mass multiplied by velocity squared. Think of it like pizza toppings. Mass equals how much cheese you've got. Velocity equals how fast you're throwing the pizza. Double the speed, quadruple the energy. That's the squared part. A snail versus a race car. Race car's speed creates a boom of energy. Speed is a big deal in this equation. Now let's do a DIY challenge. Let's build a marble crash course. Tape paper tubes to a wall to make a track. Drop a marble from different heights. Watch how higher drops equals more speed equals more kinetic energy. Try this at home, Destructo science is the best science. Real-world uses of kinetic energy. Fun stuff. Roller coasters screaming downhill. Soccer balls scoring goals. Dancing, your body's packed with kinetic energy. Serious stuff. Car crashes, why speed limits save lives. Wind turbines spinning to make electricity. Kinetic energy isn't just fun, it powers our world. Even the wind in your hair is energy at work. It's time for our myth-busting session. Myth 1, if something's heavy, it always has more kinetic energy. Truth, nope. A speeding feather can have more energy than a slow elephant, if it's fast enough. But good luck finding a supersonic feather. Myth 2, kinetic energy disappears when things stop. Truth, nah. It transforms, like into heat, brakes getting hot, or sound, screeching tires. I don't want this to get too boring, so let's summarize. Kinetic energy is everywhere, in your bikes, your footsteps, even your blinking eyes. Remember, motion isn't just fun, it's powerful. Stay curious, keep moving, and smash that like button if you feel the energy, and subscribe for more physics fun. Comment your best marble crash videos below.